Okay, students. So today we are going to study about goblins. So what goblins actually are? Goblins are the magical creatures. I want you all to open page number 8 of your textbook. As we can see on the screen, a goblin is a little creature. It's sort of like a monster. Okay? It looks like a monster, but it's actually not a monster. Goblins are very naughty by nature. And even in our story, we are going to have two characters. There are two goblins, and there is a boy whose name is Adnan. Okay, so here's the story that Adnan clutched his comic book. He wanted everything that was advertised in the book. He decided to use his savings to buy the limited editions of Draconian Masters to say Gargoyle Collectible and the Living Pet Rock. He placed the order and waited eagerly for his packages every day. He would be the first one to collect the mail. Wow, my toys are here. However, when Adnan opened the package, he found that were not as big as he had expected. He realized that the words "not actual size" were written in a small print on the advertisement. The living pet rock was not actually alive. Some of the other toys and games he bought lay twisted and broken on his bedroom floor. Adnan felt very disappointed. His mother came in the past him and more packages said, maybe you shouldn't send for any more toys. I hope this one is the last one, Adnan. Adnan perked up immediately. He took the package and beamed. I forgot about this one. This one took 8 weeks to get here, he exclaimed. He opened the package and found two small goblins. One was red and the other was blue. There was a small piece of paper with the instructions on it. So, students, what happened in the story? Adnan bought some toys. Okay, so he was expecting that his toys will be getting delivered, and when the toys came, so it was not like what he was expecting them to be. So Adnan was very disappointed कि उसके toys जो है वो exact same size के नहीं थे जैसा उसने pictures में assume किया था या उसने सोचा था कि उसके toys होंगे. So then he found that there was a tag on the package which says that the size is not as the actual size. उस पर एक लेबल लगा हुआ था जिसमें लिखा हुआ था कि जो टॉयज का साइज है वो एक्चुअल साइज की तरह नहीं है. सो अदनान गॉट वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद द थिंग्स और उसने वो टॉयज अपने रूम में अपने बाकी ऑर्डिनरी टॉयज की तरह जो उसके पुराने टॉयज थे उनके साथ छोड़ दिया. Then his mother came along with another package. उसकी मामा जो है वो एक और पैकेज के साथ उसके पास आती हैं और वो उसको कहती हैं कि I hope that this is the last one you are getting. वो ये उसको बोलती है कि मुझे ये like I hope कि ये वाला जो पैकेज आ रहा है this could be the last one you have ordered because every time Adnan is ordering few twice and then he gets disappointed with those twice because they are like different with the as they have shown in the picture or either he doesn't like them. So Adnan just remembered that he also ordered another package which took 8 weeks to come to his home. उसको डिलीवर होने में 8 weeks लग गए थे. He almost forgot about those toys. When he opened the package, there he found two goblins inside. जब उसने वो पैकेज ओपन किया था तो उसको उसके अंदर दो goblins मिले थे. One was of red color and the other one is of blue color. As you can see on page number 8, there are two pictures of the goblins. One is the blue one and the other one is the red. And along with the goblins, he found a piece of paper with few instructions on it. उसको एक पेपर मिला अपने गॉब्लिन्स के साथ जिसपे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखे थे which were like how to grow your own goblin. अपने goblin को grow हम कैसे कर सकते. Put each goblin in a large bowl of water. Do not put them in a same bowl as they need space to grow. Leave them overnight to grow to more than twice their original size. Dry them off with the towel. Goblins are very cranky at first, so plan activities that all of you can enjoy. After reading the instructions, Adnan says that I think John had a sponge toy like this and it grew. Adnan said, Mom, can you get me 2 bowls of water, please? His mother asked, do you promise to clean your room? Most definitely, Adnan exclaimed. His mother got the bowls of water ready. Adnan followed the instructions and went to the bed. That night, Adnan dreamt of that goblins grew as big as his house and were very mischievous. He felt something wet on his ear and woke up. The goblins were on his bed. Adnan जो है वो just he went to bed to sleep and then वो जैसे ही सो जाता है वो क्या करता है उसको एक ड्रीम आता है जिसमें वो ये देखता है that the goblins which he has kept in the bowl to grow वो इतने बड़े हो गए that even they are huge enough to fit into his house. उसके पूरे घर के साइज हो गए and now they are not fitting into his house. अदनान को ये ड्रीम आ रहा होता है and suddenly he feels something wet on his ear. उसको अपने कान पे कुछ गीला सा फील होता है. What happens there? जैसे ही वो उठता है so he sees that there is a goblin on his bed. वो ये देखता है कि उसके बेड के ऊपर एक goblin है. Try me, snapped the red goblin. No, me first, growled the blue one. Both of the goblins were asking Adnan to dry them off with a towel. As the instructions were given, then when the goblins do, you need to dry them off. Adnan was not afraid because the directions said that they would be really cranky at first. He dried them off with a towel. Adnan named the red one Chipper and the blue one Chipper. When Adnan went off to school, they would get into the pillow fights and make a mess in his room. They would also pinch ear others every time they had a chance. To make matters worse, they would cheer loudly whenever Adnan flushed the toilet. The goblins were very cranky and they were very annoying at first. ठीक है वो बहुत ज़्यादा annoying थे. They always used to irritate Adnan while he is doing any work. When he visits the school, when he goes to the school, they always make mess in his room by doing pillow fight and just messing around in the room. ठीक है then whenever Adnan is not around, they try to make matters worse wherever they can. ठीक है they are not just helpful for Adnan. There is an awful stench coming from your room. You promised to clean up that room. His mother said. Your dad almost fainted when he saw them. Adnan's mother was very upset because Adnan promised that he is going to clean up his room. But when she visited her room, it was a complete mess. And Adnan's father was also angry about this thing. But Chipper and Chopper made the mess. Adnan protested. Please give me one more chance. Adnan just told his parents that he did not make the mess. The goblins are the one who is behind all this mess. So he asked his parents to give him another chance. Okay, but they are your pets and you have to be responsible for them, his mother said. Adnan gave Chipper and Chopper crayons to draw with, but they ended up drawing all over the walls. It took Adnan hours to clean up after them. अदनान ने चिपर एंड चिपर को ड्राइंग करने के लिए जो है वो कुछ क्रेयॉन्स दिए थे एंड व्हाट हैपेंड दे ड्रॉ बट दे ड्रू ऑन द वॉल. उन्होंने ड्राइंग तो की बट उन्होंने ड्राइंग कहाँ की उन्होंने वॉल्स पर ड्राइंग की एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इट एंडेड विद अ वेरी बैड थिंग दैट अदनान को उनका सारा मैस किया करना पड़ा. Further, the goblins were most of the time they were annoying and they just keep putting Adnan into trouble. वो किसी ना किसी तरीके से अदनान को कुछ भी ट्रबल में डाल देते थे so that Adnan would not be able to defend himself in front of his parents. वो उसको उसकी वजह से डांट पड़ती थी एंड वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ में उसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा बुरा फील करती. Okay, so now what happened when Adnan just get rid of this all things that he always gets to be scolded because of the goblins? What he used to do, he won't have them anymore. Chipper hung his head and shook. No, I don't mind. Okay, the goblins asked that can't they have just a normal pillow fight in the room? So Adnan says that I don't mind having a pillow fight in the room. I am allowed to join in, said Adnan. Adnan कहते हैं मुझे pillow fight से तब तक कोई problem नहीं है जब तक I don't get to play with you guys. So they all had a pillow fight together. 3 of them, the 2 goblins, Chipper and Adnan. They were playing in the room. So Chipper and Chipper Bean, they agreed to cooperate. The three of them tossed pillows and sang songs. They cleaned up the mess afterwards. Adnan's mother even made cups of hot chocolate for them and tucked each on one into the bed. So when they decided to cooperate with each other, and they all just had a they all just had a pillow fight, and after the pillow fight, they all cleaned their room very properly, very nicely. The three of them, Adnan and two goblins together, just clean up their room together, and the mother made hot chocolate for each of them, and then she just tucked everyone into the bed. The goblins started to snore, and just Adnan was about to drift off sleep, they woke up and declared excitedly, "Hey Adnan, maybe you should order more goblins. It would be fun with more of us around." "No way, you two are all the goblins I can handle." Adnan closed his eyes and fell asleep. "Tomorrow will be another day. I wonder what awaits." "Adnan, you never know what will happen when you have a pair of goblins at your home." So students, this was the story of Adnan and his goblin friends. That as the manual says of the goblin are very mischievous, they could be very naughty at the times, but they were also helpful for Adnan, and Adnan loves to play with the goblin.